Hello, welcome back to our channel. In this video, let's try fixing orange or yellow screen on iPhone 17 Pro. Have you ever noticed that your iPhone 17 Pro screen looks too yellow or orange? This usually happens because of display features like True Tone and Night Shift. So here's how to fix it. There are basically two main ways how we can do that. The first way is quicker and the second one is a little bit longer. So let's start with the first method. So you have to swipe down the top right corner of your screen to access Control Center, and you have to press and hold your display controller. And here you can see those two options, Night Shift and True Tone. And if they are on, you have to basically disable them. And as you can see, my screen instantly came back to normal. It's no longer orange and yellow, but let me turn this back on to show you the second way how you can fix that. So go to Settings and proceed and find section Display and Brightness, and go to find first of all option True Tone. You want to disable that, and go to option Night Shift, and you want to disable this function that says manually enable until tomorrow. Yes, and as you can see, my screen returned to cooler and more natural color. But if the problem continues and your screen still looks yellow, you have to let's go to main page of settings and find accessibility option, go to display and text size, and go to color filters. Here it is, and please make sure that no filters are applied. That could alter the screen's color, so this should be disabled. So yeah, that's basically how you can fix orange and yellow screen on your iPhone 17 Pro. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.